Congratulations, my dear learners. You made it to day 7 of our 7-day English shadowing challenge. You didn't quit, you didn't give up, and that makes you special. Hello everyone, this is Miss Morning Muse, your corner of confidence, courage and communication. Stay with me till the end of this video because I have a special message and a next level challenge waiting just for you. So, let's begin this final journey together with a smile, with energy and with confidence. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders and repeat after me. Say each line with full energy and belief. Ready? Let's go. I can speak English confidently. I am improving every single day. I believe in myself. Mistakes help me grow. My voice matters. I am proud of my progress. Nothing can stop me from learning. I can think, feel, and speak in English. Beautiful, you sound stronger already. Remember, your confidence is your real accent. Now, let's shadow a short motivational paragraph together. Don't just repeat the words, feel them. Let's begin. Every time I speak in English, I learn something new. I don't have to be perfect. I just need to keep going. Confidence is not about knowing every word. It's about believing in my thoughts and expressing them freely. I have something important to say, and my voice deserves to be heard. I am proud of how far I have come. From now on, I will think in English, speak in English, and live with confidence. You have just spoken some powerful words, and words have energy. Each time you speak English, you are creating your own version, stronger, brighter, and more expressive. Do you remember day 1? You might have felt shy or unsure or maybe even afraid to make mistakes. But look at you now. Your words flow more smoothly. Your tone sounds natural and your heart is more open. That's the power of consistency. Shadowing is not any magic. It's daily effort multiplied by belief. When you practice speaking out loud, you train your brain, your tongue, and your confidence all at the same time. And you have done it for 7 full days. That is something to celebrate. So give yourself a round of applause right now. Say it with me. I am proud of myself. Yes, you should be. Here comes the special messages. Now I want to tell you something from my heart. English is not just a language, it's a bridge that connects you to new people, new dreams and new opportunities. You started crossing that bridge this week, and every step you take from now on will take you closer to your goals. But this is not the end, my friend. This is just the beginning of your beautiful English journey. Because from tomorrow, we start something even bigger. The 30-day Speak English Naturally challenge with some really motivational and interesting facts and stories. 30 days of practice, motivation and real life English. Together, we will take your speaking skills to a professional level, step by step. Now, before we end today's session, I want to hear from you. Which day of this 7-day challenge was your favorite? Was it day 3, introducing yourself, or day 5, expressing opinions, or maybe today's final day? Write it in the comments below and also write, I completed the 7-day challenge. I will personally reply to your comments because you deserve recognition from your hard work. Before we say goodbye, let's say this last affirmation together. Repeat with me slowly and confidently. I am confident. I am fluent. I can express my thoughts in English. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Every day I am becoming better. I believe in my growth. I am proud of myself. Beautiful. You have done something amazing. Never forget, fluency is not a gift, it's a habit. You created that habit this week. Thank you for walking this 7-day journey with me. You have inspired me with your dedication, your voice, and your spirit. This is Miss Morning Muse, and I will see you tomorrow in our 30-day Speak English Naturally challenge with some really motivational stories and interesting facts. Until then, keep shadowing, keep smiling, and keep shining because your English journey has just only begun.